Hi everyone. I don't know about you guys, but those of you who have Frenchies, let me know in the comments if your Frenchies snore as loud as ours. Hunter snores like this, and we can find him anywhere around the house when he's asleep because he snores very, very loud.